Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save YouTube Shorts draft. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is just to go first to your YouTube web app or mobile app. And basically from here, we will need just to click on the create button. So from here, we will find the screen button and here in the corners, we will find the add. So we can add some media or we can also find the drafts button. So here in the drafts, we will be needing just to click on draft. Those are all my drafts here in my YouTube Shorts. And basically, we can find here this three-point icon on each draft video. So all we need to do is just to go to any draft, and for example here, we will find this delete or cancel. Now, if you want to save it, and you can upload it also if you want, you will need just to click on it. And from here, you will be able to see that you can start doing any some kind of editing, etc. And then you can click on next. And basically now you will be able to start having your video to be uploaded and then you can download it if you would like. And you can just simply have it as you can start caption it, etc. And then you will save it. Otherwise, if you want just to make any shorts to be saved as drafts manually, you can go to this place where you have all your caption that will be added and you have your visibility, etc. And then you can click on save as a draft so you can have your short save as draft. So this way you will have your drafts that will be uploaded and of course you can have them unlisted, etc. And then you can consult them again in the YouTube Studio. So you can simply go to your YouTube Studio app and then go to the content and then I'm just going to the shorts and from here you can also find your uh, drafts if we go here and if you save them as drafts or you will find all your drafts here. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.